Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Play search history. So the first thing that you need to do is open the Google Play Store on your phone. And then at the top right, tap on your profile account, this one right here, click on that and then go to settings and tap on the general and then click on the account and device preferences right here. Okay, so here scroll down until you find this clear device search history. So with this you can remove searches you have performed from this device. So just click on that and then click on the clear history. So just like that, your search history has been clear, and if you go back here, there is no search history show up here. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can delete your Google Play search history. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.